Life starts small. A delicate journey with the tiniest of building blocks at the center of creation. Exploring the mystery and beauty of the molecular world of the human body is what we do every day at AstraZeneca Gothenburg. We challenge, explore, and unlock the unknown. The Gothenburg site is one of AstraZeneca's 3 global strategic research and development centers and home to our more than 2,500 colleagues from nearly 50 countries. We conduct research into the entire life cycle of a medicine, from idea generation through discovery research to global commercialization and product maintenance. We collaborate with others around the globe, sharing resources and ideas in order to empower science in our main therapy areas: oncology, cardiovascular and metabolic diseases, and respiratory. Ideas have a fascinating and peculiar way of emerging when you least expect them. Because of our passion for science, and in order to address an unmet medical need, we explore the mechanisms underlying a human disease. We choose an appropriate modality for correcting the mechanism that is causing the disease, working with small molecules, nucleotides or peptides. Step by step, we use the intelligent design of molecules, as is done in virtual reality, by docking different molecules into the target protein structure, or by designing specific nucleotides to increase or decrease a specific protein. We test the proof of concept in human cell systems in order to identify the clinical candidate drug. Because of the emphasis on effectiveness and safety, many investigational drugs will not make it all the way through the 3-phase clinical testing. Results here will determine whether or not the health authorities will approve the drug. Many years have passed since the initial breakthrough discovery, and you now have the medicine in your hand. At AstraZeneca Gothenburg, we continue to push the boundaries of science to deliver life-changing medicines.